Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So in case you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So many of my subscribers have been asking me of ebooks, and some other people have been asking me of online training, when I will organize, or if they can enroll for an online training. Well, lately I've been working on compiling my ebooks, and it's ready, it's done. And my online training, well, I am ready for that now. Also, actually created an awareness on doing a one-on-one training some days back, but I had to cancel it because so many people are not in Lagos. I base in Lagos, so let me say distance is a kind of barrier, but I decided to go online. So if you want to train online, just feel free to call me, and if you want to get any of our ebooks, call me on the number up there. Yeah, call me on that number, or you send me a WhatsApp on that number. I will attend to you. Our ebooks covers how to measure in percentage, because as a skincare formulator, forget about the 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon. Like, seriously, everything has to be done in percentage. That is why whenever I'm formulating, I make sure I use my gram, because most of the things I formulate comes in percentage. Like now, if you're to add a German plus, it's a preservative, you're to add 0.5%. Please, how can you do that using your spoon? It's not possible. The first page on the ebook, we covered a subheading named how to measure in percentage, and many more interesting contents in the ebook, like how to make your bar soap, how to make your shower gel, how to make your body and hair butter, how to make your cream and lotion, how to make your face cream like sunburn, pimples face cream, morning face cream, night face cream, whitening face cream, brightening face cream. Of course, you can start formulating with this ebook. And of course, how to make your black soap. Yes, everything in skincare has their own formulas. Whenever I'm formulating, I write down my formulas. I write down the percentage of each ingredient I'll be making use of. So in this ebook, it covers how to make your scrub, how to make your face mask, how to make your oils, how to make your toners. Yes, your serum and toners. In this ebook, I listed functional actives and their properties, and the percentage usage rate of every whitening powders, whitening additives that you want to use in making your skincare products. They are all listed in this. This is a complete compiled ebook. It took me days, nights, in fact hard work to compile this ebooks. And again, it is all about 100% organic. Now, if you want to learn advanced skin lightening recipe, I added it into this ebook as an additional. For those of you that like making like whitening cream, whitening soap, everything whitening, yeah, it is inside this ebook. So to order for this ebook, just call the number up there, the number you're seeing on the screen right now. Just give us a call or add us up on WhatsApp, chat us up. Don't say I did not tell you. All right, so subscribe to this channel, like and share our video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video.